Hello guys, it's Dave here again from davemenzies.com, DM Online. I wanted to do a little video today about Yoast SEO. I've done videos about this in the past, but actually there's been some recent changes which kind of are encouraging you to upgrade to the premium version at a cost, whereas most of the functionality has been available on the free version, certainly for the several years that I've used it on several websites. But when I updated it recently and posted a blog, I noticed that it looked kind of the same until you get to working on the SEO part of things. And that used to be based on a focus key phrase, which you can see here, which in the older versions of it, you used to be able to just put in a focus key phrase, which would be something related to the keywords in your blog post, so it could analyze the blog for SEO, which was really, really useful and fabulous because it was the free version and it did all of this. So now that's changed, and if you go to, I'll just go here, what this used to just be when you got down to this section on SEO, you would be able to just put in a focus key phrase and then it would give you the usual kind of score on how many times you've used the key phrase, if you've used it before, if you've used it in subheadings, all of that really useful stuff, so that you could go ahead and kind of tweak your post so that it was great for SEO. Now unfortunately that's gone, so when you click on focus free key phrase now, you're encouraged to go to the premium version, which I think they kind of do a deal on. If I click on through to the window here, get Yoast Premium. When I last looked, it was £79 for the first year. Now it's actually gone down to £55.30, whatever that is in dollars or euros or wherever you are. I suppose if you're going to be serious about it, it's probably worth doing. I mean, Yoast is probably the most popular SEO plugin out there at the moment. Millions and millions of plugins have been used, and millions of people using it, finding it really good. So if you do that, there are actually quite a lot of additions to that. You can have a look at the page yourself. If you're in Yoast, you can click through that button, Get Yoast Premium, that appears on your blog post. You'll see in a bit more detail what you can get. I think there's actually some detail. No, there isn't on it, but that's the situation as it is. So if you want to just pay for that upgrade and go back to having that functionality and more, where you can get an SEO score on your post, then that's worth doing. I guess I'm probably going to do it myself. I'm also looking around at alternatives, and there are a few out there. In the link, in the description underneath of this video, I've put 4 from some research I did recently when I first discovered that this had happened. So there's 4 suggestions, and I've provided links in the description. You can click through and look at those pages. Some of them are through WordPress, directly through the WordPress back office. Others are from the developers themselves. And they're all really pretty good. None of them do exactly what Yoast did. Some of them have got some additional benefits. Some of them have got, again, premium versions. Most of them think I've got a kind of basic freemium version, which is free, and provides a lot of the sort of functionality that you're looking for, although maybe not quite in the same way that you're used to with Yoast. Others don't. So it's a case of really having a look through, working out how important blogging is to you, how important the SEO on your blog site is. If it's important enough to justify that Yoast upgrade, then just go ahead and do that. It's probably the simplest kind of thing if you can afford to do that. If your budget doesn't stretch to that, then have a look at these alternatives that I've got underneath here. I should point out though, Yoast so far still has the readability analysis, which it added I think about a year ago, which I find really pretty useful. It saves you going to a separate site. You can do it all internally, on your actual, underneath your blog post. But anyway, that's the situation. Just wanted to do a quick video about that. Hope you find that helpful. Check out the links to the alternatives in the description series. And as usual, if you want to grab free 7 video series, I'll put a link on at the end. That takes you through to a page where you can sign up for 6-figure mentors, 7 free internet marketing training videos, which have been pretty life-changing for me and could be for you. But as regards the blog stuff, hope you find this useful. If you do, leave me a comment, subscribe, like the video, that would be amazing, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers for now. Bye bye.